I'd no plans on a beautiful Sunday and decided to make the most of the warm weather and pack my bag to go on a day trip with my bike. My home is 600 metres from the Grand Canal. I can access the canal close to the 9th lock. There's a train station in Clondalkin that again is a 5-minute bike ride from my home. I got the idea to catch the train some distance into County Kildare and then cycle home along the Grand Canal. I chose Newbridge as my destination on the train and then had a 14-kilometre cycle to get to the Grand Canal at Lowtown. I got off the train at Newbridge and I'm cycling along quiet roads to get to Lowtown, and there's a bridge there and a lock, the 19th lock of the Grand Canal, and in Clondalkin near me there's the 9th lock, so that'll be my route. The Grand Canal stretches 131 kilometres westwards from Dublin to the Shannon, and approximately 110 kilometres of the Grand Canal now has Greenway trail completed. I'm at Fenton Bridge, the 19th lock, and my cycle home officially starts here. So just taking it all in before the gentle cycle home. Can you hear that? I'm coming by Mondello Park, so the rally drivers are out. So birdsong and rally drivers. This adventurous couple.
If I hold the handle again,
Experts.
this is one of these things I should just do it.
Well, you're doing it.
Oh no, I'll have no choice, eh? Doesn't usually go that smooth.
Woohoo!
That's the camera for you.
Enjoy your paddle. I've just left Salins and I think the track for the remainder of my journey home is paved like this. So lovely and so easy to cycle on. Go on! Woohoo! Cheers.
Scary, like.
Hi. I'm less than 10 kilometres from home now. So thank you for joining me on my trip home along the Grand Canal. It was quite a revelation for me. I'm down on the canal a lot, jogging or walking, but I hadn't come up so far on my bike, and yeah, a lot of different sights that I hadn't seen before, like all those bridges. They were just great fun to take the drone out. Such a great little pastime to have, flying a drone while seeing things of interest. And all the barge life. So it's got busier, obviously, as I've got closer to urban Dublin now. But thank you again for watching this one. What is this? Incredible. Oh. I've lost my drone. I think it's in that tree there, but and it hasn't fallen through, so it's up there somewhere. I've tried for a good while now trying to get access and shake branches, but I haven't been able to find it, and I'm cut to bits. Oh my god, I'll be wearing shorts for a few weeks and nettle stings. I'm back out at the crash site with my pal George, who has a drone, and we're going to see if we can see anything with the drone, and we've brought some tools. There's George beating his way out. So hopefully we'll have some luck. I had no luck finding the drone, unfortunately. I went out again and spent 4.5 hours, because it's so close to me. It's only 20-minute drive up the road. I went back out and I spent 4.5 hours looking for it, but couldn't find it. So just to let you know what happened, in case anyone's interested, I could see from the last flight details that I was flying at 19 meters when the drone stopped. And I was well above the trees that I showed you in that footage. They were about, I don't know, 4 or 5 meters. So I was well above them. And I could see that an error is recorded on my last flight, error 30671, which corresponds to a propeller error. And unfortunately, when you get that error, I'd never seen it before, but when you get it, the drone stops and just falls to the ground. The motor stops, I suppose, and falls to the ground, and it just fell into incredibly difficult terrain for me to try and locate it. I really did try, and I felt it was possible, but maybe later in the year rather than the full growth of early summer. It was just too difficult. I had no luck. DJI thankfully have given me a 30% reduction, given that I was only 9 months out of warranty. I have the drone 2 years and 9 months. And their warranty period is 2 years, so fair play to them. They gave me a bit of a discount anyway. So I'll be back playing with my little drone again.